Do this to your old tomato plants, and watch them bounce back with fruits like crazy, even in late fall. Welcome back to MKIRIKACHA TV, the home of tomato secrets that others don't tell you. I'm going to show you a natural fertilizer that will shock you. It's cheap, it's easy, and once you give it to your tomatoes, they'll stop acting tired and start producing like they're on a mission. The secret ingredients: banana peels and fresh yeast. Yes, you heard that right. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that make tomatoes flower non-stop. And yeast, that's the secret booster. It wakes up beneficial microorganisms in your soil, helping your tomato roots suck in every last drop of nutrition. Together, they form the tomato rejuvenation potion. Take 4 very ripe banana peels and chop them into small pieces. The smaller, the better. These little golden strips are like energy bars for tomatoes. Add them into a bowl. Next, grab a 50g cube of fresh yeast. Break it up, drop it in. Add 2 spoons of sugar and 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let the magic begin. This is where fermentation starts. Add another liter of warm water and mix everything well. This solution revives tomato plants that look exhausted from sun, drought, or poor soil. Cover the mixture loosely and let it sit for 24 hours. After a day, strain it into 8 liters of clean water. Mix well, and boom, your liquid gold is ready. Apply it before watering your tomatoes. Use 500 milliliters for each plant, and repeat every 14 days. Give them this power drink early, and they'll reward you with harvests until late autumn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here at MKIRIKACHA TV, we don't just grow tomatoes, we grow legends.